story about the store delivering babies to the houses.
Yeah.
But they ain't got nothing to do with that. Follow me.
What you putting on?
A little educational tape for you, my son.
What's it called?
It's on a sex tape with Kim Kardashian featuring Ray J.
Wow, Ray J's gonna be in it? He's my favorite singer.
Yep, that's right. Sit back, relax, and learn. And that's how babies are made. What you think, son?
That's how babies are made?
That's right.
Well, that explains the moaning and screaming coming from Pretty Boy Cookie's room last week.
Say
what?
Woo! Baby, you just scared me. You looking mighty pretty today, looking fine.
Where's Pretty Boy Cookie?
What up, family?
I kill you!
Oh, hold on a minute, Japanese stand. Alright, pretty boy, before your mama killed you, did you become when you had sex? No. What the hell? She was on birth control.
Pretty Boy Cookie, I'm pregnant. What is this? Oh, Dad showed me a sex tape featuring Kim Kardashian plus Ray J. Making babies. Now I know everything about where babies come from.
I go let him back.
Grandparents, I'll let you in, but gonna have to break this.
Oh no. No. Damn. My God. I never done nobody love. You and me was apart. I need time. With me what's happening. I need. Ain't no ocean, ain't no sea.
You ain't gonna win an Oscar from that internet show.
Oh, but you still owe me $5 for that bootleg CD I paid for.